Hi everyone, my name is Jenny and welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you how I transformed a basic looking IKEA wardrobe to a mirrored glam statement piece for less than £15. So if I can do it, you definitely can too. So I'm going to show you an easy and cost efficient way to do this. So let's get started. I normally buy the pricier furniture overlays, but I decided to try some acrylic mirror wall stickers, which I found on AliExpress for about £10.50. I thought I ordered 8 of these because I'd planned to cover the doors completely from top to bottom, but when I started the video I realised I only bought 4. So I decided to just carry on and see how it looks. So if I decide I don't like it, I can always update it in the future, and of course I will show you guys how I do this. So what I did was I had 4 sets of the mirror stickers, which you can see on the left. So it comes in 2 sizes, the bigger sizes and the small sizes. I didn't actually need the double-sided tape or the scissors, so ignore that please. And I also used 2 crystal door knobs and a screwdriver. So this is what the wardrobe looks like initially. So it's very plain, just all white. Door handles were also white. So I start by aligning the large size with the edge of the wardrobe and just placing the 4 smaller sizes on the 4 sides of the large one. So I repeat this process until all 4 sets are on the door, and I was happy with the position. When I saw that the mirrors weren't like laying properly, I sort of take them off carefully and then try to put them back. Of course you've got to be very careful so you don't damage the paintwork. Next, I remove the door handles and replace them with the crystal ones. Once I had everything in place, I peeled off the film covering the mirrors and wow, all done. Look at this. The whole process took less than 10 minutes and the finished look was breathtaking. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely week and see you soon. Please like, subscribe and comment, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye.